for example, has 48,000 likes or upvotes, and if you click on it,
Hallelujah. Hey everybody, what's going on? The truck is painted. You will see it in this episode painted. There's going to be some odds and ends too along with it, and a couple of customer jobs that I have in there as well. I made the customer jobs pretty short just because I don't know if you guys really care to see my daily routine or not, but I don't just work on my own stuff. I'm actually a little overwhelmed at the moment because I have a lot of customers that want stuff done and I really can't because I don't have the capacity for it. So I'm trying to get this truck done as soon as I possibly can. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you get them post notifications so you can stay up to date with the build and future builds. And we're going to get right into getting cleaned up and getting this thing into paint. So stay tuned. I can't stress enough how important it is that the tighter you get your plastic, the cleaner your paint jobs will come out. So, with that being said, we definitely have to take that off. But here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change out the water trap on my air compressor because it is toast. That shit is coming out with water like crazy, and I got a brand new one, brand new filter. Don't ever buy that DeVilbiss, the one that takes the QC3 filters. The filters are like 45 bucks a piece, and you can only order them online unless you want to pay 100 or whatever the hell it is locally, which I am not going to do. So yeah, don't skimp on your water traps. It's not worth it. I thought that this one Hey, so as I was editing, I discovered that my clear coating and my untaping were corrupt files somehow, transferring them over. So sorry you don't get to see that. I know that's like it, you know, unwrapping all that stuff that's just freshly painted is like unwrapping a gift. So I'm sorry you don't get to see that, but hey, check out the final product though. It looks really good. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna run to Auto Value to grab some more supplies, and I got my pretensioners back there for the truck. I forgot to disclose that in the video in the beginning that this truck was rolled over. It's flipped upside down. Yeah, and I was in it. It was not a fun experience, and I will throw in a video. It's only like 5 seconds, but at least you can see what it was like beforehand. I was going to grab gas for the snowmobiles and lost control, and it flipped upside down, and luckily I was the only one in there. My family wasn't, thank God. But I didn't get the pretensioners replaced, or the recall done on it. And I don't know if you know anything about these trucks, but if you don't have the pretensioners sent in for the recall, 9 times out of 10 the truck burns down to the ground and I can't get out of the truck. So I had to crawl. Well, the truck was laid over on upside down, and it was running vertically with the ditch. So anywhere I went out, tried to go out the windows, there was just a wall of ditch there. I couldn't get out. So all I'm thinking in the back of my mind is, this is it. I've met my demise. I'm gonna burn to death. This is gonna be terrible. So I'm trying to find my phone to call my family and say goodbye. Yeah, so luckily I made it out with just a black eye and very minimal scrapes. My knuckles are still jacked up from trying to get out. It's probably just because I didn't take care of them very well. But regardless, I'm here. But anyways, so yeah, I got the pretensioners. Today I'm just gonna focus on getting the grill and all that other stuff sanded. Trying to mock up a way to do my taillights because I want to paint them. Then I might grab some lighting for when I do inside the cab because it's super dark in there. I already have everything out. I decided to make this YouTube channel. After I actually started all this, so I'm sorry that you guys don't get to see the full process of the build, but something's better than nothing, right? So yeah, let's get our butts to Auto Value. Oh yeah, this is just a little cruise. I bought a long time ago. It was wrecked. The whole front end of it was wiped out. and I need to replace the front bumper. So that will be on there, and it's leaking radiator fluid. I put some cheap Tang-Wang freaking radiator in here, so now it's fucking leaking. I have to diagnose that issue. I just been dumping coolant in it, trying to get by, because this is now my mom's car. I'm just using it until my truck's done. And I have other cars, but the one is in the shop, and they've been dicking the dog on that. I dropped it off on Saturday. They're supposed to have it done on Monday. Well, now it's been like 16 days it's been there for a starter. The only reason why I took it over there was because I don't have enough space right now. My shop is full. My garage is full of shit right now because it needs to go to the storage unit. And I sent it over there because I don't want to have to do it in the driveway, for one. And for two, I just don't feel like fucking doing it. It sucks. It's a bad job. Hey guys, I know that I said in the beginning of the video that I was going to have all the other stuff on there, but I realized how long the video already is. So I'm just going to upload 2 videos, and they'll be within 24 hours of each other. So make sure you check out that other video as well. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button and post notifications so you can stay up to date with the build. And yeah, till next time, peace.